In this video, I will show you how to draw double lines in MS Word. So there are easy and simple way to insert double line. First one, type 3 times this equal sign, press 3 times this equal key on keyboard and press enter. So this is the first method. Second method, insert and shape line and draw your line manually. Make sure press and hold shift key. Change size, color and weight. Now double click on it. Control C and Control V. Like this. Now make proper line once you zoom. So you can select and you can keep properly. You can keep desired space between two lines. Same, there is the options. You can Control C and Control V. Now here you can change line style. So once you double click and shape outline, so select any style from here. Like this. And also guys, you can make vertical double horizontal vertical line. So just select this first line, double click and rotate to 90 degree. Same, select second line and rotate to 90 degree. Now drag and drop and keep the space between two lines. So thanks for watching.